Hello everybody, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In today's video we are doing an unboxing video. There are quite a few boxes here. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4. All of it has come from Brushwood. I've had these 3 boxes I've had for the longest. This one is my newest one. This has probably got the best stuff in it. Pretty much all of these are decoration, and I won't tell you what's in this one because there's 2 things in that box. So we're going to start with this box here, the smallest one. We'll probably move on to that one, then that one, then we'll end with that one. So we're starting off in here. I might not be able to. So first of all, this is part of it. We'll get into that in a bit. This is the main bit. This, just put that box there. This here is a humpback bridge. I've had a look at it before, obviously. I don't know how easy I can get this out of here. I might have to put the camera down. I'll get it out of the bag and then we'll see what it's like. So here it is, out the bag. It's got a little bit of grass on there, which is quite cool decoration. There's the underpass. It didn't go right through. But obviously from the side it looks like it does. And it's got like this sort of tarmac road sort of thing on the top, and then obviously the stone on the side, which is sort of what they make the stone walling out of anyway. I've got quite a few pieces of that, and so yeah, it's very good looking. I might get some road to connect up with it so it looks like it. This piece here, there it is, shallow stream. I can't actually see on there, but when you buy this thing you can see a picture of it. This thing will basically unroll and it goes underneath there, and obviously you get the idea, it's like a stream going underneath the humpback bridge. So yeah, that's what that is. Put that back in there. All of this stuff I'm gonna, when I do a new model farm, which might not be for another few months now, but when I do it, all of this stuff will be going into it. Starting on to the second box. This thing I've had for a few years now. I haven't used it many times, but yeah. So I just thought I'd show this because I haven't shown this before. It's just a simple farm track, got like a gravelly sort of texture, grass in the middle there. As you can see, it's very windy outside. So yeah, that's gonna be very good. And then in here we've got some stone walling. I don't know if I can get this out of here. This is, they pack it very well, that's for sure. I haven't got too much battery left on this camera. There we go. So this is the authentic stone walling. Like I said, it's the same as the sort of humpback bridge. You can see I've got the individual sort of stones or bricks, and then a grass or turf, and then like a top layer as well. So you get 4 in each pack. So yeah, I've got at least one of those. I might have 2. We won't bother packing it all up, so it'll take too long. There might be some more in here, it might just be packaging. I think it's just packaging. Yeah, it is. There's more in this one here, I think, though. 3 boxes there. I think there's at least 2 of them are the same. We'll get them all out. I can. This is not. There. Okay, that was really quite annoying. Right, I'm going to get all 3 of these out off camera and then we'll come back. So back now. We've got 2 of them are the same, which obviously we wanted. So there's 5 of these curved walls. As you can see, that's what they would look like. They're only slightly curved, but yeah. So that's sort of like going around a bend or something. I wanted to get enough of those. And then we've got 4, yeah, 4, these are the corner pieces. You have a look here. There's the corner sections. So yeah, thought I'd get a packet of them as well. So we've got these ones here, the straight pieces. I've got at least 2 more packets, I think, upstairs, which I've had for a while, or maybe 1. So yeah, we've got at least 8 or more of these straight pieces. One of these curved corner pieces, and then we've got these curved pieces, which we've actually got 10 of, because there's not 4, there's 5. So that's even better. So yeah, that's it in that box. So I'll put these away, and then I'm going to pack everything up, and then we'll get the big box open and have a look what's in there. Right, so just packed everything up there, and we're going to get into the big box. This is obviously the most expensive. These 2 things I acquired, well, these are the things I got the most recently out of everything. You probably already know what's in here, to be honest. Well, you don't know what type it is, but you probably know what's going to be in here. And there we go. You can already have a look. So this packaging's a bit annoying. There's these like sort of sleeve things. This is a big box here. I'm a bit careful. So we'll start off with this one, then we'll move on to the mass in there. Not much space on this table, but here we have it. This is the new release from Ross. This is the New Holland. There's 3. There's this one, which is the, don't know if you can see, T7070. There's another one, can't remember what it is, and there's a blue power one. I wanted this one. I've always liked the T70 series, and I just thought, why not? Because I might start getting because it's got like a proper authentic linkage on it. I might get some stuff, like some attachments for that at some point. So yeah, that's the first piece, looking very nice. You will see all of this stuff on the other model farm. You might see these tractors actually on this model farm, but definitely on the next one, because I want to involve both of them. Then we've got this one here, limited edition. This is the Massey Ferguson 575 4-wheel drive, which looks very good. 500 series, 132 scale, obviously. So yeah, these 2 I was looking in the new, like what's new section, and I saw these and I thought I might as well. Well, I always wanted to get one of these originally, but then I saw this come out as well, and I thought I might as well get them at the same time. So yeah, looking very nice. Universal Hobbies. So this is a different attachment on the back. Probably not going to get them out. But yeah, so there is the 2 models. I hope you enjoyed seeing all of this stuff that I've been unboxing. 2 tractors and obviously all of that stuff. Like I said, I'm going to be doing another model farm at some point, which I've mentioned for ages. And all of this stuff should be involved in it. But that is it for today's video. If you have enjoyed, don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, bye for now.